Welcome back to the vlog. We were on a wee bit of a hunt last night, a remote hunt, because Melanie had it, and this morning Manny was going round mad looking for it, and it was literally right in front of our eyes, I swear to God. It was just sitting on her toys, and we kept saying, Melanie, go and get the remote so we could find it. She didn't know what we were talking about. I'm making some eggs. They're boiling now. I think they're ready actually. Yeah, they're ready. Woo! I'm so starving.
I actually can't believe you've done this, Mama. Sticks.
Jess made us corned beefs and eggs because we have no bread. So we're going to the shop later today to get some bread, milk, cat food and all that good stuff because we're running low. We're going to enjoy it. Jess is having beetroot, lettuce, eggs, a fork and a plate for breakfast.
Woohoo! Bounty! Bounty! LMNOP. Hey guys! We're getting ready now to head out. Gerald said about 9:30. But I was going out for the jazz festival. Way Lemons and Orla's coming too. Can't wait.